Welcome to my channel, Dr. Munshi Nasser, Skilled on How Are You, my dear learners. In this video, we are going to talk about how to write a research article for undergraduate and master's student in this AI era. As you know, there are many AI tools available, and day by day there are new AI tools are coming up. At this moment, in my opinion, the research tools like finding out the main research idea using different AI tools is very important. So starting with the abstract introduction, you can start with free AI tools like Storm AI or Cite to find out the gap between your research article, different type of research information, especially in the literature gap. Then you can gradually go for methodological development. In the methodological development, there are many other AIs, mostly Google Notebook LLM, DeepSeek, ChatGPT. This can be very useful for your methodological development. Especially for analysis, I must say RTutor or Blue Sky Statistics, JABS or Bricks AI. These are the super free AI tools for your research article, in particularly for methodology and data analysis. And finally, you can always use some free AI tools like Rabbit's Hole or Elicit, or these are the tools, the free versions you can use for your day-to-day life. So basically, all the list that I'm going to share in this particular video, if you can follow those AI lists, it will be very easy for an undergraduate and master's student to publish a research article in a very short time. This is a very brief video in order to show you what are the best free AI available at this moment in 2024. Thank you, my dear learners. I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.